Looking to boost your Wi-Fi signal on a budget? In this video, we'll walk you through how to set up the Wavlink AC1200 dual-band Wi-Fi range extender step by step. Let's get started. Let's start with what comes in the box. Inside, you'll find the Wavlink AC1200 dual-band Wi-Fi range extender itself. Compact, lightweight, and ready to plug in. You'll also get a LAN cable is included, which can be used for wired setup or to switch the extender into access point mode, and a quick start guide with basic setup instructions, making it easy even for first-time users. Plug the extender into a power socket halfway between your router and the weak signal area. Wait for the power LED to stabilize. Step 1. On your phone or laptop, connect to the extender's Wi-Fi, usually named Wavlink N or Wireless N. Step 2. Now open a browser and go to 192.168.10.1. In username and password, just type admin. Once logged in, choose repeater mode. Select your home Wi-Fi, enter your password, and click apply. Wait for reboot. For a quicker setup, press the WPS button on your router, then press the WPS button on the extender within 2 minutes. The signal LED should turn solid once paired. Reconnect your devices to the new extended network. It might be named Your Network XTRMIG-E. Run a speed test to confirm improved signal strength. That's it. Your Wavlink AC1200 extender is ready to go. For assistance, please dial +1 929 647 2279. Like and subscribe to support our channel. Thanks for watching.